Most Mercedes owners use less than 10% of their car's hidden capabilities, missing features that could save their life or prevent thousands in repairs. Make sure to stay till the end to find out about the feature that helps document collisions on your Mercedes. Number 1. Pre-safe sound system. Protects your hearing in crashes. If your Mercedes is equipped with the driver assistance package, it's been secretly protecting your hearing since 2017. The pre-safe sound system uses your regular audio speakers to emit a specific pink noise signal at 80 decibels when sensors detect an unavoidable collision. This sound triggers your stapedius reflex, an involuntary muscle contraction in your middle ear that pulls the stapes bone away from your cochlea. This biological defense mechanism provides approximately 40% reduction in hearing damage during the peak acoustic trauma of airbag deployment and metal impact. The system works because your body's natural reflex dampens sound transmission to your inner ear, protecting your auditory nerves from permanent damage that affects thousands of crash survivors. The genius is that this requires no special hardware beyond the collision detection sensors already built into your Mercedes for other pre-safe functions. Your Burmester or standard audio system becomes a medical device that prepares your ears for trauma in the milliseconds before impact occurs. Most owners never know this system exists because it only activates in genuine emergency situations. Unlike other safety features you can test, pre-safe sound works silently in the background, ready to protect one of your most precious senses when you need it most. This technology represents Mercedes' commitment to protecting every aspect of human physiology during crashes, not just preventing physical injury. Your hearing is irreplaceable, and this system helps ensure you can still enjoy music and conversation after surviving a serious accident. Number 2. Active side bolster displacement moves you away from impact. Hidden within your multi-contour seats is a pneumatic safety system that can physically move your body away from danger. When sensors detect an imminent side impact or T-bone collision, the active side bolsters instantly inflate on the impact side, pushing you several inches toward the center of the vehicle and away from the collapsing door structure. This isn't just padding for comfort during the crash. The system actively repositions your torso to increase the distance between your body and the primary intrusion zone where the door frame will buckle inward. Those few inches of displacement can mean the difference between minor injuries and life-threatening trauma. The pneumatic chambers use the same air supply as your seat adjustments, but operate under emergency protocols that inflate them faster and with more force than normal seat operations. The system calculates the optimal displacement based on crash severity and your seating position. This technology works in conjunction with traditional airbags and crumple zones to create multiple layers of protection. While airbags cushion impact and crumple zones absorb energy, the active bolsters physically move you away from the danger zone before impact occurs. The system is completely automatic and requires no driver input or awareness. Your Mercedes is constantly monitoring for side impact threats and stands ready to physically relocate your body to a safer position within the cabin in the critical milliseconds before collision. Number 3. Deep Sleep Key Fob Mode prevents relay attacks. Your smart key has a hidden security mode that makes it invisible to thieves using signal amplifiers, specifically on modern Chrome keys. By double tapping the lock button, you activate Deep Sleep Mode, which completely shuts down the key's radio frequency transponder. The key confirms this with 2 short flashes, followed by 1 long flash of the red LED. This feature addresses a growing theft method where criminals use signal boosters to capture your key's broadcast from inside your home and relay it to your car in the driveway. A key in deep sleep mode stops broadcasting entirely, making it impossible for thieves to detect or amplify its signal. The system also dramatically extends battery life during long-term storage or when you're traveling without the car. Since keyless go systems constantly search for the vehicle's signal, the battery drains even when you're not using the car. Deep sleep mode eliminates this parasitic drain. To reactivate the key, simply press any button and it returns to normal operation. This makes it practical for daily use. Activate deep sleep when you get home, then wake it up when you need to drive. The process takes seconds, but provides robust protection against high-tech theft methods. This feature exists because Mercedes engineers recognize that convenience features like keyless go create security vulnerabilities. Deep sleep mode gives you the best of both worlds: modern convenience when you want it, old-school security when you need it. Number 4. Rest function, residual heat without engine running. The rest button or menu option allows your Mercedes to maintain cabin temperature for up to 30 minutes after shutting off the engine, using residual heat from the engine block, a must-know for gas and diesel owners. An electric auxiliary water pump continues circulating warm coolant through the heater core while monitoring battery voltage and coolant temperature to prevent system damage. This German engineering concept called Restwärme utilizes the thermal mass of your engine as a temporary heat source. The system is intelligent enough to shut down automatically if battery voltage drops too low, or if coolant temperature falls below effective heating levels, ensuring you can still restart the car. The feature is invaluable for brief stops in cold weather, picking up passengers, running into a store, or waiting in a parking lot. Instead of idling the engine and wasting fuel, you can maintain comfort using heat that would otherwise be lost to the atmosphere. The system works by bypassing the mechanical water pump that normally requires the engine to run. The electric auxiliary pump is much smaller but sufficient to circulate coolant through the heating circuit at low flow rates, maximizing the available thermal energy. Many Mercedes owners discover this feature by accident and wonder why their car stays warm after shutdown. It's not a malfunction. It's sophisticated thermal management that demonstrates German attention to comfort and efficiency in equal measure. Number 5. Tunnel mode, synchronized window and sunroof control. Older command systems and early MBUX models include a hidden shortcut that instantly closes all windows and the sunroof simultaneously, then remembers their exact positions for later restoration. Press and hold the air recirculation button for 2 seconds to activate tunnel mode, which seals the cabin against external contaminants. The brilliance lies in the memory function. When you exit the tunnel or polluted area, another long press of the recirculation button returns every window and the sunroof to their precise previous positions. If your rear left window was 15% open and your sunroof was tilted, the system restores those exact coordinates. This feature was designed for European driving conditions where tunnels, construction zones, and industrial areas require immediate cabin sealing. Rather than fumbling with multiple window controls while driving, one button press creates a complete environmental barrier. The system treats your car's apertures as a holistic environmental control system rather than individual components. This integrated approach reflects Mercedes' philosophy that luxury means the car anticipates your needs and responds intelligently to changing conditions. While newer Mercedes models have more sophisticated air quality sensors that automatically manage cabin sealing, tunnel mode gives you manual override control when you need immediate protection from external air quality threats. Number 6. Programmable mirror parking position prevents curb damage. Your passenger mirror can be programmed to automatically tilt down to a custom angle whenever you shift into reverse, providing a perfect view of the curb and your rear wheel. The key is that this position is fully customizable and tied to your driver profile, not a generic factory setting. To program your custom angle, engage reverse gear and select the passenger mirror using the adjustment controls on your door. Manually adjust the mirror to show exactly what you want to see. typically the rear tire and curb relationship. This position is automatically stored in your current driver profile's memory. The system's hidden intelligence is in the activation method. If you leave the mirror selector switch on the driver's side, the passenger mirror stays in its normal driving position, even in reverse. This allows you to toggle the parking assistance feature on or off simply by switching the mirror selector position. This prevents the common problem of mirrors tilting down when you don't want them to, such as when backing out of a parking space where curb clearance isn't a concern. The manual override gives you control over when the feature activates. Professional drivers and valet services often don't know about this customization capability, so they may complain that the mirror doesn't work right in reverse. Understanding the selector switch logic allows you to explain and demonstrate the feature's intelligent operation. Number 7. Workshop menu access, hidden diagnostic functions. Your instrument cluster contains a hidden workshop menu that provides access to precise oil level readings, brake pad service modes, and service interval resets normally requiring dealer equipment. Access varies by model, but typically involves navigating to the trip menu with the odometer visible, then holding the OK and phone buttons for 5 seconds. If the OK plus phone trick doesn't work on your newer touch-sensitive steering wheel, try holding the home button for 5 seconds, followed by OK. The workshop menu includes Assist Plus functionality that allows manual reset of service intervals after oil changes. Service dealers often charge for separately. More critically, it provides access to brake pad replacement mode on vehicles with electronic parking brakes, retracting the calipers so you can service the brakes yourself. The menu also displays precise oil level measurements in liters, rather than the simplified gauge readings on your dashboard. This accuracy helps you maintain optimal oil levels and detect consumption patterns that might indicate developing engine problems. For vehicles with electronic parking brakes, the workshop menu is essential for brake maintenance. Without activating service mode, the electronic calipers cannot be retracted, making brake pad replacement impossible without professional diagnostic equipment. This hidden functionality exists because Mercedes recognizes that some owners prefer to maintain their own vehicles or use independent shops. The workshop menu provides access to essential service functions without requiring expensive dealer visits for routine maintenance procedures. Number 8. MBUX Dealer Mode, Advanced System Diagnostics. MBUX systems contain a hidden dealer mode that provides access to GPS satellite data, audio volume offsets, software versioning, and connectivity diagnostics. Access this mode by going to the settings screen and swiping left 6 times on the quick access icon, revealing advanced system information normally reserved for technicians. This menu displays real-time GPS satellite acquisition data, helping diagnose navigation problems and connectivity issues. You can see exactly how many satellites your system is tracking and the signal strength of each connection, useful for troubleshooting poor navigation performance. The audio section allows adjustment of volume offsets between different sources: radio, Bluetooth, navigation announcements, and phone calls. This fine-tuning capability helps balance audio levels that might seem inconsistent during normal operation. Software version information helps you verify that your system has the latest updates and can assist service technicians in diagnosing compatibility issues with connected devices or services that aren't working properly. While this menu provides valuable diagnostic information, it's designed for technician use and contains settings that could affect system operation if changed incorrectly. Use it for information gathering rather than making adjustments unless you understand the specific functions. Number 9. MBUX, Interior Assistant Gesture Shortcuts. The 3D laser cameras in your overhead console can recognize specific hand gestures for contactless vehicle control, exclusive to the newest MBUX systems. The most useful hidden function is the V-pose shortcut. make a V sign with your index and middle fingers toward the infotainment screen to instantly trigger a pre-assigned favorite like navigation to home or calling a frequent contact. The system is sophisticated enough to differentiate between driver and passenger gestures, allowing two different sets of V-pose shortcuts. This means you and your passenger can each have personalized quick access to different functions using the same gesture from different seating positions. The searchlight function automatically illuminates the passenger map light when you reach across the cabin toward an empty passenger seat in darkness. The system recognizes the intent and provides illumination, then fades the light when you retract your hand. Moving your hand up and down under the interior mirror toggles the reading lights without touching any switches. This contactless control is particularly useful when your hands are dirty or when you want to avoid disturbing a sleeping passenger by fumbling for switches. These gesture controls represent Mercedes' vision of intuitive human-machine interaction. The car observes your natural movements and responds appropriately, reducing the need to learn specific button locations or menu navigation while driving. Number 10. Guard 360 Collision Documentation System. Your Mercedes can automatically document parking lot incidents and hit-and-run damage while you're away, exclusive to the newest MBUX systems. The Guard 360 system uses parking sensors and 360-degree cameras to detect impacts while the car is locked and parked, recording the force and location of any collision. When you return to your car, MBUX displays a notification detailing the area of vehicle damaged and the force of impact. If collision photos are enabled in the settings, the system automatically captures 15 photographs of the surroundings, which can be viewed on screen or downloaded to a USB drive. This evidence collection happens automatically without any driver intervention. The system activates whenever the car detects an impact above a certain threshold while parked and locked, ensuring you have documentation for insurance claims even if you weren't present. The photographs include timestamps and can show the position of other vehicles or objects that might have caused the damage. This evidence can be crucial for insurance claims, especially in hit-and-run situations where the other party has fled the scene. The system represents Mercedes' understanding that parking lot incidents are common and often go unwitnessed. By automatically documenting these events, your car becomes its own security guard, protecting your interests even when you're not around. These 10 hidden functions demonstrate that your Mercedes contains far more intelligence than most owners ever discover. From protecting your hearing in crashes to documenting parking lot incidents, these features work silently in the background to enhance safety, security, and convenience. The next time someone claims German cars are overly complicated, remember that this complexity serves a purpose, anticipating your needs and protecting your interests in ways you might never even notice. Take time to explore your Mercedes' hidden capabilities, because the engineers who designed them intended for you to benefit from every sophisticated system they built into your car. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.